back to my channel Imaginator. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 really easy DIY Halloween crafts. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Pom-Pom Spiders. Take some wool and wrap it around your hand 50 times. Then take it out and tie it with a string. Cut the loops and trim it. After this, take a black or brown pipe cleaner and cut it into 6 equal pieces. Bend it a little bit and stick it to the pom-poms as the spider's legs. For the eyes, take 2 thermocol balls and stick it to the pom-pom. And you're done! Paper pumpkin. Take an orange A4 sheet and cut it into half. Then take one half and fold it like this. Now cut the creases. After that's done, take 2 orange circles. Stick the end of the strips onto the circle like this. Now cut out the stem and glue it on top of the pumpkin. And you're done! Pop-up ghost box. Take a matchbox and paint it black. Now take a black piece of paper and cut it into 2 thin strips. Then fold it like this. It should be long enough to pop up out of the box easily. Now draw a ghost figure and cut it out. Stick it to the twister we just made. After this, stick the entire thing in the box like this. Close it and write "Open Me." And you have made your very own pop-up box. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay in touch with my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy Halloween!